Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable creating infographics in Piktochart step by step clearly. To enable creating infographics in Piktochart, first, navigate to the Piktochart website. Log into your account or create a new one if you don't have an existing account. Once logged in, you'll be taken to your dashboard. On the dashboard, locate the Create New button, usually at the top of the screen. Click on Create New to open a list of available templates. In the template options, select infographic from the categories provided. This will display various infographic templates to choose from. Browse through the templates and pick one that suits your needs. Once you've chosen a template, click on it to open the editing interface. In the editing interface, you'll see a blank canvas along with menu options on the left. You can now customize the text by clicking on existing text boxes. To add new text, click on the text option in the left-hand menu. Choose from the types of text options available, like headings or body text. Drag the text box to your desired location on the canvas. You can also change the font style, size, and color using the text formatting options. Next, explore the graphics menu for icons, images, and shapes. You can add elements by dragging them onto the canvas. Resize or reposition these elements as necessary to fit your design. For backgrounds, click on the background option in the left menu. Choose a solid color or a pattern that complements your infographic. Once you're satisfied with your design, click the Export button in the top right corner. Select the format you wish to download, such as PNG or PDF. Finally, save your infographic to your device, and you're all set. You have successfully enabled creating infographics in Piktochart. Now you can start crafting visually appealing infographics for your projects. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.